Between 1 and 31, m arithmetic means are inserted such that the ratio of 7th and m minus 1th means is 5:9. Find the value of m. Whenever you have a question about arithmetic means, we use the formula d equals b minus a over n plus 1 to find out the value of d. Here we are given with the numbers a, which is 1, and b, which is 31, and m arithmetic means are inserted. So n is equal to m. So d will be equal to b minus a. So that is 31 minus 1. So 30 over n plus 1. So m plus 1. So we have the value of d. We know the value of a. And we are given with the condition that 7th mean to m minus 1th mean, their ratio is 5:9. So we have two numbers 1 and 31, and there are m means between them. So first mean is a1, second mean is a2, and so on up to am. So here a1 is the second term, so it will be equal to a plus d. a2 will be equal to a plus 2d. Similarly, a7 will be equal to a plus 7d. We know a, which is 1, 7 times. We know d, which is 30 over m plus 1. If we simplify this, we get m plus 1 plus 210 over m plus 1. And that gives you m plus 211 over m plus 1. Similarly, a m minus 1 will be equal to a, which is 1, plus m minus 1 times d. d is 30 over m plus 1. And if we simplify this, we get m plus 1 plus 30m minus 30 over m plus 1. Simplifying this further, we get 31m minus 29 over m plus 1. So we have the 7th mean and m minus 1th mean. We are given with the ratio as 5/9. So let's substitute the values. A7, which is m plus 211 over m plus 1, divided by 31m minus 29 over m plus 1, that is equal to 5/9. We can cancel out m plus 1. And if we cross multiply the remaining terms, we get 9m plus 1899 is equal to 155m minus 145, and which gives us 146m is equal to 2044, simplifying which we get m equals 14.